Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Autonomous Agents. AI that thinks for itself and takes action. Welcome to the exciting world of autonomous agents. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions or follow simple instructions, but actually observes its surroundings, thinks about what to do, makes decisions, and then takes action all by itself. Think of it like graduating from a smart calculator to a personal assistant that proactively manages your calendar, responds to emails, or even helps you code. As developers, this opens up a universe of possibilities to create truly intelligent and helpful systems. The word autonomous means self-governing or independent. For an AI, this isn't just about being smart. It's about being able to operate without constant human supervision. The core idea is a continuous cycle. Observe to think to act to repeat. It's the difference between a simple program that adds two numbers, you tell it what to do, and an AI that monitors your server, detects an anomaly, decides it needs more resources, and then automatically scales up your cloud infrastructure. It decides what to do. Before an AI can think or act, it needs to understand its world. This is its perception. From a developer's perspective, this means your AI agent needs to gather data from its environment. This could be anything: reading text from an email, processing images from a camera feed, monitoring sensor data from a smart device, or fetching information from a web API. Your code will be responsible for connecting to these data sources and potentially interpreting that raw data, for example, turning camera pixels into an understanding of, there's a car approaching. Once the agent perceives something, it needs to figure out what it means and what to do next. This is the thinking part, reasoning and planning. It's like the AI's internal brain that processes its observations, considers its goals, applies rules, and predicts potential outcomes. As a developer, you might implement this with simple if-then logic. If temperature greater than 25, then turn on AC. More complex rule engines, or even integrate advanced AI models like large language models, LLMs, to allow the agent to reason through complex scenarios, brainstorm solutions, or generate a detailed action plan based on its current understanding and goals. After observing and thinking, the agent needs to do something. This is the action phase. It's how the AI interacts with its environment to achieve its goals. For a developer, this means your agent will be calling functions, sending commands, interacting with external APIs, writing to databases, sending emails, or controlling physical devices. For example, if the AI's goal is to book a meeting, its action might be to call a calendar API, send invites, and confirm attendance. If it's a robotic agent, it might control motors to move an arm. The magic of autonomous agents lies in their continuous cycle. Observe to think to act to repeat. An agent doesn't just do one thing and stop. It constantly monitors its environment. Observe, processes that information and decides what to do. Think, carries out that decision. Act, and then immediately starts observing again to see the effects of its action and if anything else has changed. This continuous feedback loop allows the agent to adapt to dynamic situations and work towards its goals over time, much like how you constantly perceive your environment, make decisions, and act throughout your day. As a developer, you don't need to be an AI guru to start building agents. Your toolkit will include 1. Data sources. ***APIS. Like weather APIS, email APIS. Sensors. Databases. 2. Observe. 2. Decision logic. Simple conditional statements. If else. Custom functions. Or integration with AI models. Like LLMs for natural language processing and reasoning. 2. Think. 3. Action connectors. ***APIS to interact with other software, web services, or physical devices to act. 4. Orchestration. Your own code or a framework to manage the **observe to think to act loop, ensuring the agent runs continuously and efficiently. Even with simple components, you can build surprisingly powerful agents. Autonomous agents are not just futuristic concepts. They're already all around us. Think of the AI characters in video games. Smart home systems that adjust lighting or temperature automatically. Sophisticated fraud detection systems. Or even early versions of self-driving cars. The next frontier involves building more capable software agents that can automate complex workflows, assist in research, or truly become proactive digital assistants. This is where you, as a developer, can innovate and shape the future of how AI interacts with the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.